Hey there and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. So today we are going to be doing yoga on a couch. So I feel like I transform into a couch potato at night because there's just so many great shows on. So I find that if I'm sitting still for a long period of time, I start to get really stiff and achy. So one day I just decided to move on my couch. I did some yoga postures, some movements, and I felt really great afterwards. So I figured that I would share my personal practice with all of you. In terms of items, feel free to bring along a blanket as well as some pillows. However, if those items are not available, it's all good. They're just here for extra comfort and support. Alrighty, let's get started. Okie doke friends, so first thing first, feel free to drape a blanket across your couch. You can add some pillows at the ends of your couch just for some added support and comfort. You can come to sit to the middle of your couch so that way your back is not flush against the back of your couch, and just allow your feet to kind of like hang off here, planting the soles of your feet on the earth so that way we're nice and stable here. Okay, let's start to sit up a little bit taller by rocking our pelvis forward, looping our shoulders, and tucking in our chin slightly. Just allow your hands to fall wherever it feels most natural, whether that be in your lap, on your thighs, or wherever. It's all good. So we're just going to take 3 breath cycles here together just to settle into our practice. So let's breathe on in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, so I don't know about you, but when I am sitting still for a long period of time, my neck gets really stiff and achy. So with that in mind, we're gonna find some movement with our neck here by drawing some neck circles. So draw some circles with your nose here. They do not have to be like super big circles. They can be nice and small. Working out any kinks in the neck, and then reverse that circle. I always hear a lot of crunching going on in my neck. It's like a party in there or something. Okay, and bring your head back to center. Drop your left ear to your left shoulder and send your right hand out and away from your body. Imagine that you're pressing that hand into an imaginary surface to just try to like flex through your fingertips here. Now, this may already feel like quite an intense stretch. However, if you are looking for a little bit more, feel free to move your hand forward and back or even up and down. But just take it nice and slow here. Keep that breath going. Shake it off. Drop your right ear now towards your right shoulder as you send your left hand away from your body, flexing that hand into an imaginary surface. And then again, find any kind of movement that feels nice on this side. Just staying curious and exploring. Shake it off, coming back to center. Let's spider crawl our right fingers away from our body, and on an inhale, send the left hand up and towards the sky, and on an exhale, side body stretch. So reaching your left hand towards the right side, and your right hand can come flat on the couch, or you can even drop your forearm to the couch. Now, if you drop your forearm, just imagine that there's like some glue attached to your bum here, keeping you nice and anchored. Great, and then back to center, and then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So spider crawling our left fingers away from our body, and on an inhale we send our right hand up and towards the sky, and on an exhale we find that nice little side body stretch. Really breathe in some air into our ribs. Coming back to center. So left hand on right kneecap as we swim. Our right hand back and behind us. Breathe in And then on an exhale, journey into a twist here, looking past your right shoulder, and you can find a nodding action with your head. Yes, I am enjoying this couch potato yoga flow. And then back to center. Right hand now on the left kneecap. We swim our left fingertips back and behind us. Breathe in. And then on an exhale, journey into that twist, looking past your left shoulder, and once again find that nodding action. Wonderful. Back to center. So now we are going to take some circular motions with our torso. So on our breath in, we shine our heart center forward, loop our shoulders, look out in front of us, really hugging our elbows in towards our side body here. And then on an exhale, we round through, really allowing our shoulders to kind of round here. We bring our chin towards our chest, drawing our belly button towards our spine. Breathing in to come forward, look forward, and then exhale to round through. So you keep this going at your own pace, and marry the breath to the action. Reverse that circle. So we're getting the energy flowing, giving the spine a little love here, especially if we've been sitting still for a long period of time. This may feel nice and yummy. And then when you feel happy, coming back to center. So we're going to straighten through our legs slightly here, but we're going to keep a small micro bend in our knees. Heels kissing the earth, the rest of the foot can be lifted away. Breathe in as we loop our shoulders to sit on up a little bit taller. And as we exhale, let's begin to slide our hands past our thighs, past our knees, and perhaps even to our shins. Of course, you can always stay up here if you would like. Breathe in to look forward, out in front of you, and then exhale, bowing the head, chin towards your chest. Feeling a beautiful stretch in the back of the neck here. It's like a mini inversion as well, just encouraging the blood to flow in another direction. Just keep on breathing. Great. Breathe in one more time. And then breathe on out as we begin to roll on up through our spines. So we're going to do a seated cat-cow. I'm also going to do one on all fours as well, so you can join me there if you would like, if the couch allows it. If not, definitely stay where you are, and I'll just show you what that looks like. So you inhale, you shine the heart center forward, looping the shoulders, looking forward, really arching through that back body, and then on an exhale, rounding through, chin towards the chest. So very similar to that circular motion that we were taking with our bodies a little bit earlier. Or you can join me, getting to all fours, if the couch allows it, of course. Stacking the wrists underneath the shoulders and the knees underneath the hip points as best as possible, spreading the fingers nice and wide, pressing into the tops of our feet, rocking that pelvis forward slightly. Okay, on an inhale, we reach our tailbone up and towards the sky, loop our shoulders, look forward, out in front of us, and then on an exhale, rounding through the back body, tucking that tailbone in, and dropping the head towards the earth. Inhale to open up the belly, open on up, or drop the belly, open on up, and then exhale, rounding on through, chin towards the chest. So keep this action going here. Just feeling it on out. One more. Wonderful, coming back to center, and now my all-time favorite move on the couch. Let's come to lay down, shall we? So So obviously, depending on the length of your couch, feel free to just rest the soles of your feet on your couch like so, knees pointing on up towards the sky. You can extend your legs out long if the couch allows it. You can use a pillow to place underneath your head. And let me tell you, I could probably fall asleep here. This is so comfortable. Anyways, allow your hands to just fall wherever it feels most comfortable and natural, maybe on the belly. And let's just take 3 breath cycles here to close our practice together. Breathe in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, so totally feel free to stay here. You can watch your TV show in this position if you would like. I'm just gonna bring myself back on up so I can close this properly. Anyways, I just want to thank you so very much for joining me here today. I really hope that you found this practice useful. I definitely encourage movement on the couch, on a chair, especially if you've been sitting for a long period of time. I do believe that a little movement goes a long way. So yeah, those are just my 2 cents. If you haven't done so already, kindly subscribe to Yoga with Rachel, as it is the best way to support free yoga content for all. You can ring that notification bell to be notified of new video uploads to the channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's practice, and please share this video with someone that you believe would benefit from couch yoga flow. It's kind of fun, right? Anyways, comments and questions always welcomed and encouraged. Thank you so very much, and take good care, everyone. Bye for now.